This one's going to be sort of an interesting twist. We're actually in issue 601 of Easyriders Magazine. We're going to celebrate the 250th anniversary of America. And that's really special to me. I've been a freedom fighter for 55 years. I feel really strongly about America and about what's happening with America, and we all need to step up. But this issue is going to be wild. We've got amazing photography of flags going down the highway. We've got articles about the history of the United States. And for so many people out there who don't study history and maybe have just been smoking joints and drinking beer for the last 30 years and didn't think about it much. Well, this article will bring all that right back into your face and tell you about the country and what we've been through and what we need to honor about being an American. It's the only country on the planet who did what we did from a freedom standpoint and give individuals freedom like no other place on the planet. No other place would step up and honor that kind of individual freedom. Anyway, we got Daniel James doing a magnificent center spread up for the 250th. We have wild bike features. We're going to have In the Wind with girls wrapped in American flags. The cover's going to feature a girl, and it's all going to be red, white, and blue. And we just feel very strongly about this issue. And we're also in the process of doing a 3-part editorial series about the state of the American motorcycle, big bike motorcycle industry. And we're going to be talking about Harley-Davidson and the issues they're facing. We're going to talk about Indian and their switch of ownership. And that's really going to be an interesting story. We're also going to draw in a company that's not American, and that's Royal Enfield, because Royal Enfield is doing magnificent things. They're working with custom bike builders all over the world, and they need to be part of this picture. So we're going to be doing this 3-part series, and it's going to lead to what Easyriders wants to do going forward for the industry. We're going to share custom motorcycles. We're going to share the party. We're going to share the music with young people all over the country. I'm Keith Ball. I'm the editor of Easyriders Magazine, and I need you to do a couple of things. I need you to like and subscribe this YouTube channel. We're going to be working hard on bringing you some wild content you don't want to miss. And please subscribe to Easyriders Magazine. Thank you.